So you keep ending up every single year not manifesting your goals that you put on your vision board. But this can change next year if you watch this video till the end. Because what if I tell you that you are making these 3 mistakes in your vision board every single year, and that's why you keep staying stuck? Well, today we're going to fix that, because there are actually 3 mistakes that a lot of people think that is going to make their vision board work for them. But no, it's literally slowing them down and keeping them stuck. So today we're going to fix that. A lot of people, once they fix these mistakes, they finally were able to manifest their goals. And it's even proven by science. So let's get into it. First mistake. There's actually one thing that a lot of people keep making. This is literally preventing you to manifest your dream. I also in the past put some aesthetic pictures just to make my vision board more beautiful. But then I realized that this is not really working in my mind's favor. I thought that putting all these like perfect images is fine, you know, there's no harm in it, right? But then every time I looked at these pictures, deep down I felt this pressure to be perfect, that I needed to look perfect like these pictures. And little did I know that it was literally sabotaging my mind. So instead, this year I started to stop putting aesthetic, clean, flawless images in my vision board, and I started to just put some casual, maybe messy and more realistic pictures in my vision board. Because what this does is that your subconscious mind is going to finally be able to identify yourself in those images. Because remember, your future self doesn't demand perfection or aesthetics in your vision board in order to manifest her or his dreams. So second mistake, this is where everyone mess up. This is the major reason why you keep not manifesting your dreams at the end of the year. For example, a lot of people, if they want to become successful or rich, they just put the words rich and successful in their vision board, and that's it. When you do that, your brain goes like, what the hell should I do? Like, that's why you still end up not being successful or rich at the end of the year, because manifestation does not work like this. So instead of just putting some texts there, you need to put pictures, images, because manifestation is all about specificity, okay? Then it gets deeper. Other than putting images here and there that represents health, you also need to put the specific actions that you're going to take in order to achieve that goal, you know? So if you want to become healthy, then put an image of a person working out, maybe doing yoga or lifting weights. You know, you need to be specific about it, because what this does is that your subconscious mind, once it knows what specific goal you want, is going to filter out in your external environment all the things that are aligned with this specific goal. It's going to find opportunities that are going to help you to manifest that specific goal faster than ever. So one thing I want to do is to write down, before even putting some images in your vision board, what does being successful mean to you? It can mean different things, you know. For some people, it can mean having a healthy, loving family or being rich. And then once you identify these things, you need to list the actions that you need to take in order to achieve them. For example, for me, being successful means working at a job that I love, which is content creation. So I put on my vision board a successful YouTube channel with my profile picture, and then the actions. I put me recording with a ring light, with a camera. Once I did that for the first time, I started to see more results. The past 3 years, I was literally stuck and flopping constantly and getting like 10 views. And only this year, I started to get multiple 1,000 views in my shorts and videos. It really works, because by listing the action, you're going to let your subconscious mind know what specific action you need to take in order to manifest your desire. Like, trust me, next year you're going to achieve your goals because of that, like it happened to me. And then third mistake. So this is something small that a lot of people overlook, because you think that just putting some images casually are going to work, but it gets deeper than that. Your subconscious mind does not get reprogrammed if you put some images there and here. You need to do them in a specific order. And let me explain. You know that feeling of confusion and stress when you watch your vision board? Well, it's because you didn't learn how to organize all these images in a way that your brain is going to understand them. So in order to do that, you need to stop putting them all over the place, but you need to associate one area of your life, for example, career, with some images that represent career for you. You know, for example, I put, my content creation, my channel, and pictures of me editing and recording videos in that area of my life. And once I did that, my brain was able to know which pictures were associated with my career, which pictures were associated with my health, and so on and so on and so on and so on. So once you fix that, you're going to finally be able to feel this pressure slowly fading away from your chest, and you're finally going to feel like everything is more organized in your vision board. Once you stop mixing pictures together that correspond to different areas of your life, your subconscious mind is going to finally have a clearer ideas of what are your goals. And yeah, I know that next year you're going to finally achieve your dreams, and I feel so excited for you. Obviously, after fixing these 3 mistakes, and yeah, let's go create our vision boards that are going to finally work for us. And if your manifestations are not working, then watch this.